And Diana with Carol go to a gadget shop to buy some phone case or a new phone case. Diana and Carol's get into their parents' car, then go back home. Freddy and his parents go to IKEA to buy some stuff. Turn out that Freddy and Farah are actually a best friend during their childhood time. Hello guys, SHAHLIFE here, and this is the last part of our tutorial, which is how to solve Rubik Cube by using stories. Okay, welcome back guys. So yeah, this is the last part, and you will complete this Rubik Cube. Okay, in step 4, we will have 2 stories. Story number 5 and story number 6. So the objective of story number 5 is to make at least 3 of our sides or the side of the cube to have a U shape. So which means, imagine this cell is blue and this one is blue. So we will have U shape, right? U shape. So this one also, this one is red. So this one is red. Imagine like this. So we will have U. So story number 5 is to make sure that at least 3 of the 4 sides have U shape. So now we have only one U shape. This one is not U shape, this one is not U shape, and this is only the one. So story number 5 will make at least 3 of them will have a U shape. Okay. So before we start our story number 5, as usual, we will have some rules. So the first rule is you turn this around until you get both of these have same color. So this is not same color, this one is same color, right? So green and green, and we put it at the correct spot or the correct place. So like this lah. So we will have U shape. Next, you turn the cube like this. So this is on our right, and now we can start our story number 5, which I call it as Eric go to cafe while Erica having problem with the toilet. So remember Eric for story number 5. Eric start with E, and E is for story number 5. Story number 5 begin with Eric with his parents go to a cafe to have some cup of tea. This is Eric and this is his parent. Then Eric go to the male toilet. This is male toilet. Now Erica and her family or her parents go the same cafe. Okay, to have to have a cup of tea. Then Erica also go to the female toilet like that. So now Eric already done with the toilet things and they go back home. So now Erica got some problem with her toilet, which I think got problem with the water and the piping is malfunction. So she decided to borrow the male toilet like this. While Erica in the toilet, her parents inform or call her that they need to go back first because they have some urgent issue or some urgent task to be done. So they go back. So after Erica done with whatever she want to do in the toilet, she decided to complain with the piping problem. So she go to the manager's room to complain about that. And now after finish complaining about the problem or the toilet problem, she called her parents to pick her up, and then her parents go to the cafe back, and now Erica go back and get into her parents' car and go back together. So now we should have at least 3 U shape. So now we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and this is already complete. So now we have 3 U. So if we have 3 U shape, then we will start our last story, which is story number 6. Okay, if we have 3 U shape, in this case we have 3 U shape, right? 1, 2, 3. and this is not U. So we have 3 U shape. Then we only do story number 6 one time. But if you have all of the sides got U shape, which is we have 4 U shape, then you are unlucky because we need to do the story number 6 twice. If we have 4 U shape, then we can start our story number 6 whichever side you want. Okay, whichever side. This one can, this one also can, and whichever side you want. But right now we have 3, right? 3 U shape. Then the first rule before our story begin is we need to find which side is already completed. So right now we have yellow, we have blue, which is already completed. Now the completed side will make this facing us like this. Okay, like this. Next, we need to sneak peek on the side, the right side and the left side, and we focus on this, the one that should not be here. So this is orange and this is green, right? So the next rule is, imagine if you put this green color or this green cell into this, will this side complete? No, right? Because this is red and this is green. So green change here, it will not complete this side. But if we put this orange to this side, this orange side will complete, right? So we will start our story number 6 here. Okay, so we can start our story number 6, which is, I call it as Freddy is not allowed to marry Farah. Again, story 6 is Freddy is not allowed to marry Farah. Why? Why? So here is the story. Freddy and his parents go to IKEA to buy some stuff. And then Freddy go to the IKEA's cafe to get some ice cream. Then for some reason, his parents want to go back home. And then Freddy continue shopping in the IKEA. And next we have Farah and her parents go into the same IKEA. Yeah, Farah also want to have some stuff or to buy some stuff in IKEA. And you know what? Turn out that Freddy and Farah are actually a best friend during their childhood time. So they, which is Freddy and Farah, go to the cafe to have a hangout or to have some quick chat. Then her Farah go back home because they don't want to wait for them. And then suddenly Freddy and Farah fall in love. So they decided to have their first dinner. In the dinner, they decided to get married. Then Freddy called his parents about this plan. Unfortunately, his parents did not agree with this because Freddy is too young for this, too young to get married and not ready to get married. So because of that, his parents did not agree. So his parents get into their car to pick up Freddy. And Freddy is a good boy. He is a good son. So Freddy get into his parents' car, then go back. Now Farah is alone and very sad, and she decided to go to a cafe to calm herself. After a while, Farah called her parents to pick her up. Then this is her parents with their car. And then Farah get into her parents' car. Now they go back. So that is the end of story number 6, which means we already solved this. We already solved this, right? Cannot believe? Yeah, you can check it around. Then yeah, we already complete this. So congratulations to all of you because you finally did it. We finally solved this Rubik cube. I can say it is very easy to solve, and with some training you will used to it. And always remember about the 6 stories, all of 6 stories. As I mentioned in the first video, the hardest part of this tutorial is the first step, which is the cross base, the base cross. That is I think the most, or the hardest part to follow, because we have no stories for that, and it is mostly our logical thinking on how to make it a plus sign. So if you think this tutorial helpful, maybe you can share to your friends, your family, or anyone that you would like to share. And I am very happy if you can click on the like button and also the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell notification icon so that you will get the notification when I uploaded a new videos. So I think that's all for now. Until we meet again. Thank you.